Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cover your face in a video with mosaic effect using CapCut. So just add the videos that you want to cover its face. For example, here I'm going to use this video, and after that you can just go straight to effects and use the body effects. Now swipe to the category until you find mask, and then in here find these face mosaic effects. Click on that and the mosaic effect will be automatically added. You can adjust it in here. You can adjust the range and also the size of the mosaic. When you're done, click on the check icon and don't forget to adjust the line. So this will be the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.